maximum cleaning convenience thanks to HydroClean. The fully automatic cleaning program makes your DGC PRO cavity look as good as new. To start the program, simply select HydroClean and set the cleaning intensity. Remove all accessories and release the hinged grill. Pour the specially developed Hydro Cleaner detergent into the drain. Close the door and press OK. The cleaning phase begins. The detergent mixes with fresh water and re-enters the cavity through the ceiling as foam. All surfaces are completely covered, and the detergent sets to work, slowly softening the stubborn food residue and soilage. The rinsing phase sets in, removing the foam and the finer food residue particles from the cavity. When the rinsing phase is finished, wipe out any larger residue particles with a damp cloth. Refit the accessories and click the grill back into place. Then close the door so that a short drying phase can begin. And that's it. It couldn't be easier. With HydroClean, the DGC PRO cleans itself. Maximum convenience and excellent results.